Heavy rain slashed Nellore, Chittor, Kadapa and Anantapur districts on Friday as a depression formed in the Bay of Bengal and crossed North Tamil Nadu and adjoining South Andhra Pradesh coasts. Low-lying areas in these three districts were inundated even as rivulets, streams, tanks and reservoirs were left overflowing. The massive downpour which started on Thursday evening continued on Friday, triggering flash floods. Several areas were left inundated, paralyzing normal life. Anantapur received the highest rainfall of 23.72 cm in the state yesterday. The temple town of Tirupati was also inundated. An alert was sounded in the area's downstream Yogi Vemana reservoir in Mudigaba Mandal when 8 gates of the reservoir were opened to let out flood water. Similarly, gates of Chitravadi reservoir were also opened after water levels touched the danger mark. Penna river, which passes through Nellore to reach Kadapa, is now swollen. At least 12 people lost their lives and 18 went missing after 3 buses were stuck in flash floods in Kadapa. A bund was also breached in the Annamaya irrigation canal, causing flash floods which inundated many villages. In another incident, 10 people stranded in the Chitravadi river were airlifted by Indian Air Force helicopter. At least 3 children and an aged woman were killed in Anantapur district after an old 3-story building collapsed. Rescue operations are still underway. A few other building collapses were also reported across the state. While rains and floods are a common occurrence in several parts of the country, unusually catastrophic rains over the last couple of years in arid region have raised concerns. For 3 years in a row since 2019, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, once known for their semi-arid climate, have recorded an excess of rainfall during southwest monsoon. A change in the rainfall pattern is believed to be the cause of unusual rains in regions prone to droughts. Scenes of overflowing lakes and inundated roads have started becoming common as short, intense spells of over 40 mm rainfall have become frequent. In October this year, a study titled Mapping India's Climate Vulnerability, a district-level assessment by the Council for Energy, Environment and Water stated that over 74% of India's districts are vulnerable to extreme climate events. It stated that Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Bihar are the 5 states most vulnerable to droughts, floods, cyclones or a combination of the 3. The study also predicted a pattern of extreme events across regions. It also stated that more than 40% of India's districts exhibit a swapping trend wherein traditionally flood-prone areas are seeing more frequent and intense droughts while typically dry and arid regions are witnessing extreme rains and floods. Unless proactive steps are taken to address issues and climate change, India is more likely to witness more such adverse weather events. A federal report.